people say the stock market is up or stock prices are falling and wonder what it really means. Let's break it down. No jargons, just clear, simple facts. The stock market is simply a marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of it like Balogun Market. But instead of fabrics or electronics, people are trading pieces of companies like MTN, Zenith Bank, Dangote Cement, and Nestle Nigeria. In Nigeria, the main stock market is the Nigerian Exchange, also known as the NGX. So how does the market work? The market connects buyers who want to own shares and sellers who want to sell theirs. Like Jumia connects sellers and buyers online. The stock exchange makes trading fast, safe, and regulated. Now let's talk about who is involved. 1, retail investors, everyday people like you and me. 2, institutional investors, like pension fund or insurance companies. 3, stockbrokers. These are licensed agents or apps that help you buy and sell shares. 4, market makers. They help keep trading smooth by providing liquidity. 5, the exchange. Platforms like the NGX that provide the trading system. And lastly, regulators, like the Nigeria SEC, ensuring fair play in the system. You might wonder, why do stock prices move? Why was MTN Nigeria 250 last year and 453 Naira today? What makes stock prices go up or down? It's mostly demand and supply. If people want a stock, its prices go up. If more people want to sell, it goes down. But what affects demand and supply? A few key themes. Company performance, like profits, growth, or losses. News, like leadership change or new products. Economic trends, like growth, interest rate, inflation. And lastly, investor emotions, like fear, excitement, or panic. To track how the overall market is doing, we use something called a stock index. In Nigeria, that's the All Share Index, also known as ASI. If it's rising, the market as a whole is generally doing well. So why should you care? Because the more you understand how the market works, the better your decisions. You stop guessing or chasing hype and start investing wisely. The stock market is simply a place where buyers and sellers meet and prices are driven by real events, not by luck. In the next module, we'll explore the different types of stocks and how to choose the one that fits your goals. Let's keep going.